In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get photo tag push notifications in X, formerly Twitter, so you can stay updated anytime someone tags you in a photo. This is a quick and useful setting if you want to make sure you never miss important mentions, tagged images, or activity on your account. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open X on your device and look at the left navigation bar. If you do not see all the options right away, click More to expand the menu. This is where X keeps some of the extra account settings that are not always visible on the main sidebar. Once the menu expands, click Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control your account, privacy, and notification preferences. From here, find and click Notifications. This section is where all of your alert settings are managed, including push alerts, email alerts, and activity-related preferences. After that, click Preferences. Inside Preferences, you will see different notification categories that let you customize what X sends to your phone and browser. Now select Push Notifications. This is the area that controls which alerts appear instantly on your device. Once you are inside Push Notifications, look for the Photo Tags option. All you need to do is toggle Photo Tags on. As soon as you enable it, X will start sending push notifications when someone tags you in a photo. That means you will get notified faster and can check the activity right away without constantly opening the app. And that is all there is to it. You have now turned on photo tag push notifications in X. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy social media tips and step-by-step guides.